Good day collectors, this is Scaling Drive Diecast. Today we are going to review a futuristic looking casting, the BMW i8 Roadster. And aptly it's part of Hot Wheels Roadster series. This casting debuted way back in 2019 in the ID series, Hot Wheels ID series. After that, this is the second release and this has come out in 2023. So let's go ahead and uncard this. Let's have a look at the card art first. Looks like a BMW grill, yeah, kidney grill. They've given it a futuristic take, and yeah, the card art looks decent. Nothing special, but decent. Let's uncard it. Let me zoom in view. Okay, so that's a decent enough casting. I think the interior color actually lifts the casting. The color of the casting is called ionic silver. This is I think a factory shade provided by the BMW, and this again has a tinge of gray in it, I believe. And looking at the side profile, it looks sleek. This is a Roadster, two-door convertible, you can say. The roof mechanism is over here, and this is actually a plug-in hybrid sports car, you can say. So, and this is the point where you insert the charging plug. These are the doors, and this is part of the base, and this forms a sill over here, like BMW has designed this vehicle. Okay, the windows are tinted, smoked, I think, and these are the 10 SP wheels, 10 spoke wheels from Hot Wheels, and I like it without any chrome and all. Makes it looks nice, and it gives an effect of having a disc brake at, yeah, you can see behind the spokes it looks like there's a disc brake over here. Very nice wheel design from Hot Wheels, I must say. Just to give you a perspective on the car, this is the Roadster variant came after the main variant, which was a two-door coupe. Just for comparison's sake, I bring in this 1:36K BMW i8 by Kinsmart. So this is the coupe variant. This actually debuted first. It was showcased by the company at the Frankfurt Motor Show in 2013, and this went into production in 2014 in the US. And you will be surprised to hear, and I was surprised to read, the production of this car is already ended in 2020. Such a futuristic looking car, and it was launched way back in 2014, and production has already ended. Okay, so coming back to the car, just to give you a brief idea how the front, the grille, the lights, the design looks like, and let's look at the hood as well. There's some depth to it, not as much over here. And at the rear, okay, rear is quite well done by Hot Wheels, I must say. So just to give you an idea, and this car came with scissor doors. Wow, that was a really neat thing for this coupe version. But in the Roadster or convertible version, the doors open normally. So just wanted to give you a brief insight on how the car really looks like, and these alloys also look nice. So we can get back to reviewing this. Sides we have already seen. Let's move on to the front. So you can see there's a molding for the grill, and there's no tamper work over here. I can understand would be a bit difficult because it's inside, and lights they could have given. I think they should have given the lights. Otherwise the front looks quite plain. Anyways, they've given the BMW logo, and this part, as you saw in the other casting, it is black, and this front air splitter is black, which is part of the base. Okay, let's compare the lights to get a better idea. Okay, so twin barrel headlamps with possibly LED DRLs on the base. That's how the lights look like, and the grille is black with silver chrome outline in the real car. So yeah, the molding is nice, but it could have done with at least the headlight tampos, I think. And the bonnet is nicely sculpted, fairly realistic. The ridges are there. There's no intake because I don't think there's any intake. It's a hybrid vehicle, not a fully electric vehicle. This is a plug-in hybrid actually. So no wiper markings over here, and okay, so moving on to the other side. Okay, you can see. Okay, so I think since this is a hybrid, this is the fuel lid for where the petrol goes, and here is the charging point. Here you plug in the charging cable to charge the batteries. Okay, yes, that's it. Yeah, so this is for electric and this is for petrol. So Hot Wheels has neatly marked these, which is nice. And let's look at the top before going to the rear. This area holds the mechanism for the retractable roof, and if it's raining, with a push of a button it comes up. The interior looks nice. This is an orangish color, rust you can say, and the steering wheel details and the selector lever. Seats are also nicely molded actually, and the screen also you can see over there. So this color combination actually lifts the casting, otherwise it feels a little bland to me, but nice. Moving on to the rear, which is the best part of the car in terms of detailing. You can see the tail lights, the BMW logo. This is tiny i8, and here in a very small font it's written e-drive, E for electric drive. The BMW logo in the center and on the top as well. Okay, twin BMW logos, interesting. And just to compare with the bigger casting to get a idea, although this is a convertible and that's a coupe, but still just to get an idea of how the lights look like. Okay, so this coupe was in two shades actually, the main color and highlights with black. This Roadster is in a single color. Okay, and there's place for the number plate. So decent enough done casting. They can have more releases of it, but definitely need some more details in the front. The headlight or the grille or both, that would be great. And this is a fast car, 0 to 100 kph in just 4.4 seconds. Top speed is limited to 250 kilometers per hour. That's a European kind of thing. And it can even run on only electric power for about 50 kilometers or so. Let's look at the base ones. It's fairly plain, nothing great. Copyright date is 2018, first release was in 2019, so that matches. So let me know how you like my review of the BMW i8 Roadster. Please like, share and subscribe. I'll be back with another review video soon. Cheers.